Okay, let us go to the next point, that is regarding the simple vapor compression cycle. So we have discussed the simple vapor compression cycle and the performance of this. Now in this case I have written refrigeration effect divided by compressor work. So what is mean by refrigeration effect? Refrigeration effect is nothing but the amount of the heat removed, or you can say that amount of the heat removed per unit time from space to be cooled is called as a refrigeration effect. So refrigeration effect is nothing but how much amount of the heat you are removing from the cooled space or the space to be cooled per unit time is called as a refrigeration effect. Suppose you want to have the cooling of the fridge. So in from the fridge, how much heat is removed per unit time? That is called as a refrigeration effect. If you are having the air conditioning room, then from a room, how much heat is removed or how much heat should be removed per unit time? That is called as a refrigeration effect. Remember that. So that is a refrigeration effect. Now this refrigeration effect is actually nothing but whatever the load is there on the refrigeration system. So now see, it is expressed, what is the unit for that? Amount of energy per unit time means kilojoule per second. Amount of energy per unit time means kilojoule per second, or it can be considered as a kilowatt. It is considered as a kilowatt. Okay. Now see, this is what the SI unit that you can use, but in actual practical units it is given in terms of the tons of refrigerator, tons of refrigeration. See, this is very important point. It may be asked in the oral examination, it may be asked in the final examination, but you should remember it. So what is meant by tons of refrigeration? This kilojoules per second or kilowatt is SI unit, and you can use it for technical purposes, calculation purposes, and all these things. But in practical applications and practical purposes, then it is expressed in the tons of refrigerations. Means, for example, suppose you want to purchase a air conditioner. तुम्ही जर मार्केटमध्ये गेलात आणि एअर कंडिशनर विकत घ्यायचा म्हटलात, तर see how you will ask. You will not ask in the kilowatts. You will ask it in the tons. You will say that I want 1 ton air conditioner, or 1.5 tons air conditioner, or 2 tons air conditioners. Okay, so that's why in actual conditions or market or in practical conditions, the refrigeration effect is measured in terms of the tons of refrigeration. Tons of refrigeration. See, this is a very important point. I am going to define it now. What is meant by tons of refrigeration? Tons of refrigeration means it is doesn't mean that the weight of system. Doesn't mean that it is a weight of system. Okay. So what is it? It is defined as the rate of heat removed from 1 ton of water at 0 degree centigrade to convert it into ice at 0 degree centigrade in 24 hours. Okay, once again I read. It is defined as the rate of heat removed from 1 ton of water at 0 degree centigrade to convert it into ice at 0 degree centigrade in 24 hours. So see, when you want to convert a water, that is 1 ton of water, means how much kgs? It is 1000 kgs. Okay, 1000 of kgs water if you want to convert from water to ice. But in that case, water should be at 0 degree centigrade and ice should be also at 0 degree centigrade. If you want to convert that within the 24 hours, that is the limit. Within 24 hours, if you want to convert that, then what should be the heat removed rate? That is called as a 1 ton of refrigeration. Okay, that is called as a 1 ton of refrigeration. Is it okay? Is it okay? So, or you are not getting what I am saying? What I am saying, the definition, all of you are got it or not? Or shall I repeat it once again? Everybody got this? Okay, diploma students may know this definition previously. Okay, and they want to learn. Other people who don't want to learn. So, okay, the responses I will see, it is from diploma students only. Regular students are not responding. I think they are not interested. Okay, so see, if you are not interested, then there is no problem. But I'm telling that it will be harmful for you people. Okay, at least you should say yes or no. At least you should say yes or no. Okay, one they just have replied only. Okay, so see, if you are getting right now, Kiran is awakened. Okay, I'm waiting for her only. Okay, so once again I repeat, and that should be repeat because it is very important. One ton of refrigeration. So what is in the one ton of refrigeration? Suppose you are having a huge fridge. One टनचा एक फ्रीज तुमच्या वन टनचा नाही म्हणता येणार पण एक फ्रीज आहे. त्या फ्रीज मध्ये जर तुम्ही 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेडचं पाणी ठेवलं, किती पाणी ठेवायचं तर 1000 किलो मीन्स वन टन वॉटर यू केप्ट ऍट 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. म्हणजे 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पाणी अगोदरच घ्यायचं आणि ते तुम्ही जर फ्रीज मध्ये ठेवलं तर त्याचा बर्फ होण्यासाठी 24 तासामध्ये बर्फ होण्यासाठी किती हीट बाहेर काढावी लागेल त्याला म्हणायचं वन टन ऑफ रेफ्रिजरेशन. ओके, सो व्हॉट इज इट? इट इज डिफाइंड ॲज the rate of heat removed from 1 ton of water at 0 degree centigrade to convert it into ice at 0 degree centigrade in 24 hours. त्यामुळं see, there are two conditions. Water should be at 0 degree centigrade and it should be converted into the ice at 0 degree centigrade within 24 hours. Then amount of rate of heat removed is called as the 1 tons of refrigeration. It is called as a 1 tons of refrigeration. Now how will you calculate in kilowatt? So how to convert into kilowatt? हे सांगितलं आपण, एक फॉर्म्युला सांगितला, पण ह्याचं कन्व्हर्जन कसं करणार किलोवॅट मध्ये? तर सी यू कॅन सी दॅट वन टन रेफ्रिजरेशन म्हणजे काय की किती हीट बाहेर काढावं लागेल तुम्हाला, हीट किती बाहेर काढावं लागेल, दॅट इज अमाऊंट ऑफ द रेट ऑफ हीट रिमूव्हल आहे ना. सो हाऊ मच अमाऊंट ऑफ द हीट यू टू रिमूव्ह, त्यासाठी काय असतं की सी कन्व्हर्जन ऑफ वॉटर इन टू आईस. आईसचं वॉटरचं आईस मध्ये कन्वर्ट करणार जी हीट बाहेर काढावी लागते, दॅट हीट इज कॉल्ड एज अ लॅटंट हीट ऑफ फ्युजन and it is fixed for water at 0 degree centigrade. Okay, just like heat of vaporizations or latent heat of vaporizations are fixed. We have seen that HFG steam table मध्ये आपण HFG बघितला होता, तो HFG जो आहे तो फिक्स आहे. तसंच इथे latent heat of fusion is fixed. So that latent heat of fusion means what? It is the amount of the heat required to convert 1 kg of water into ice. Okay, it is the amount of the heat to convert the 1 kg of water into ice, that is called as the latent heat of fusion. So but we are having 100 kgs of water, so total heat removed should be 100 kgs divided multiplied by latent heat of fusion. 100 kgs multiplied by latent heat of fusion, that is total heat you have to remove. And how much time you are having, that is divided by time. So we are having 24 hours, we are having the 24 hours, so you have to remove it from the 24 hours only. So 100 multiplied by latent heat of fusion divided by time, that will be 1 ton refrigeration. So see, approximately you can calculate it like this, that is 1000 kgs of ice multiplied by 3300 33 sorry 333.33 is the latent heat of fusion it is considered, divided by 24 hours multiplied by seconds, that is 3600. Then that value is coming near about 3, it is coming near, if you calculate on calculator it will comes near about 3.8 and something. But for simplifications of the calculations, 1 ton of refrigeration is considered as 3.516 kilowatt. 1 ton of refrigeration is considered as 3.516 kilowatt. So the refrigerating unit which is removing the heat 3.516 kilowatt is called as 1 ton of that refrigeration. म्हणजे 1 टनचा एसी म्हणजे काय की जो एसी 3.516 किलोवॅट हीट रिमूव्ह करेल त्याला म्हणायचं 1 टन रेफ्रिजरेशन एसी. Similarly, for the fridge, actually fridge is measured in a different manner. It is measured in the liters, the space cooled. In that case, it is measured. It is having the standard values. But generally for ice plants, for cooling stations, for air conditioning purposes, it is measured in terms of the 1 tons. Okay, so or tons. So if that air conditioner is removing 3.516 kilowatt heat in, then we can say that it is a 1 ton refrigeration effect. Okay, so this is what we are having right now. Actually, the time is over. So